We have one more dry day. We're actually going to go 3 days, I think, in a row, Doug, without any type of rain at DFW Airport. It will be the longest streak, really, since somewhere in March. What you're looking at is rainfall last 30 days, a percentage of normal. So if it was neutral gray, that means, yeah, we got normal amount of rainfall, which would be somewhere around 8 inches. But you see all these blues and greens. This is more than double the amount of rainfall we have seen. In fact, right now, this is the 6th wettest start to a year on record, and those records go back 120 years. We've had over 20 inches of rain so far this year. Typically, in a whole year, you get about 36 inches of rain. So there's been some wet weather here of late, and this is an outlook for Thursday. In the red, that is a good chance for some flooding. And in the yellow, over all of North Texas, there is more of chance for flooding. So we are just going to be having to be worried about Thursday for right now because of all the rain we've had. We do have some big rain ahead. Now, again, tomorrow's going to be fine, 90 degrees and sunny. Then we get into Thursday. Clouds are coming in through the overnight hours. A small chance of rain overnight into the morning, but the bulk of this precipitation comes during the day on Thursday. And yeah, there could be some severe weather, especially from the Metroplex to the west. We'll be keeping an eye on these storms for damaging winds, large hail. As we take a look at First Alert Futurecast, what you're going to notice is that there's not a whole lot going on through the overnight hours. As we get into the morning, we'll watch some thunderstorms coming down from the northwest into our Red River counties. But this is at 2 o'clock, and you can see the cluster of thunderstorms fully formed and moving over the Metroplex over a couple of hours period, and even more embedded thunderstorms behind that. So a couple of rounds of heavy rain going on through the afternoon and evening on Thursday. So plan accordingly. It could be a little tough to be driving around at the end of the day into the evening hours. And we're talking about some areas getting as much as 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain. So that's the big concern, is the flooding. There is a slight severe weather risk. Now, temperatures will be held in the 70s because of that. Friday, we're in the 80s with morning rain. Then we get into the weekend, and we've got sunshine ahead. Temperatures are going to slip into the mid-90s. This is going to be very much June weather that starts this weekend and goes into pretty much most of next week.